how to convert TON to USDT on Bybit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can convert TON to USDT on Bybit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Bybit app on your mobile and make sure that it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. After that, click on the asset icon found at the bottom of your screen. Then go ahead and click on the convert option. Over here, you'll see a place where you can select the coin. Click on it and choose done. After that, at the bottom, select USDT. If it's not already showing, just click on it and search for USDT. Next, if you want to convert all your TON to USDT, you can click on Max. If not, you can manually enter the amount of TON you want to convert. Then click on the quote icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, click on Confirm and you'll see that your order is in process. Once it's done, your TON will be converted to USDT. To verify, you can go back to the convert option, select USDT and check the total amount. So that's how you can convert TON to USDT on Bybit. That's all for this video.